I'm Melvin Noble Joseph. I'm a nursing student. It was my dream to become a nurse. From the childhood onwards, whenever I go to hospital, I love to see nurses, how they are taking care of patients, old age people and kids. When I grew up, I shared my dream that I want to become a nurse to my parents, and they were also so happy to hear that from me that I want to become a nurse. Later, I joined a nursing college. The syllabus is so tough for me. I don't know what to do. Everything got confusing to me. Later, some days, I saw an advertisement of an app called Nursing Guru. It has changed my life a lot. I really love to using that app because it have very minute details about nursing, and they are giving every requirements they wanted to me, like videos, question banks, question papers, requirements, syllabus, like that everything. And the special option of that app is that we can chat with an expert about our all doubts, and I'm really love to using that app, not just for me, for everyone. We all now Nursing Guru.